Hello everyone. I hope you all are good and you all are practicing problems, learning concepts. Let us now navigate through this question, and this one is from compensated pendulum, the one we have already discussed, right? We have done one question from this portion. So yeah, the same logic, same concept you have to apply here also. So first, let us read the question. Pendulum of a clock consists of very thin sticks of iron and alloy. So these are made of either iron or alloy. At room temperature, the iron sticks 1 and 2 have length L naught each. So 1 and 2 are made of iron, right? And this is of length L naught and this is of length L naught. Length of each of the two alloy sticks 4 and 5 is L naught. So this is L naught, this is L naught. And then again length of iron sticks 3 measured up to the center of iron bob. इसके center से measure करते हुए ये length तुम्हारा कितना है? This is lambda naught. Thickness of connecting strips are negligible. It means these strips are just linear. They don't have any area. Okay. And mass of everything except the bob is negligible. So there is only mass concentrated here in the bob, right? The pendulum oscillates about the horizontal axis shown in the figure. So this is the axis around which this pendulum will oscillate. And it is desired that time period of the pendulum should not change, even if temperature of room changes. So we have to keep time period what? Time period constant. और टाइम पीरियड का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? दिस इज 2 पाई रूट अंडर एल बाई जी. जी ऐसे भी कांस्टेंट है, 2 पाई कांस्टेंट, राइट? एल टेम्परेचर के साथ एल चेंज कर सकता है, डन है. सो टेम्परेचर के साथ एल चेंज होगा एंड इफ वी डोंट हैव टू let time period change, in that case delta L should be 0. And what is this L? This L is basically effective length of the pendulum. ठीक है. एंड इफेक्टिव लेंथ ऑफ द पेंडुलम क्या होता है? This is basically distance of center of mass of the bob from any fixed position. डन है. सो यहाँ पे एक्सिस, दिस एक्सिस इज फिक्स, राइट? अगर आप गलती से यहाँ पे पेंडुलम को इस पॉइंट से लेंथ लेकर लैम्डा नॉट आप एल नॉट अगर मान लेते हो तो दैट विल बी अ मिस्टेक, क्योंकि दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू स्टे फिक्स्ड. अगर एक्सपैंड होता है तो फोर लेंथ ऑफ फोर विल इंक्रीज. I mean, length of 5 segment will increase, and in that case, this position is not fixed. And effective length, when we measure it from a fixed position. That is not going to change. ठीक है. So यहाँ से अगर आप effective length की बात करो, then you will be measuring it from this point. So effective length of pendulum will be distance of the center of mass of bob from this point. Okay. So that will be the effective length. और ये कितना होने वाला है? देखो, this length plus lambda naught, and this length is equal to how much? L naught minus L naught. So here effective length is how much? L naught minus L naught plus lambda naught. Now what is getting asked in the question? Find the coefficient of linear expansion of alloy if the coefficient of linear expansion for iron is alpha naught. ठीक है. सो ये हमें निकालना है. अब देखो इफेक्टिव लेंथ हमें पता है. इफेक्टिव लेंथ इज हाउ मच? L naught minus L naught plus lambda naught. And we have to make delta L equal to 0. So let us calculate delta L. That will be equal to delta L naught minus delta L naught plus delta lambda naught. Now this is made of what? This is made of iron, right? And this is made of what? This is made of alloy. This is also made of iron. ठीक है. So देखो इसका linear coefficient of thermal expansion is given, that is alpha naught, and for this we have to calculate alpha value. ठीक है. So delta L naught आप क्या लिखोगे? L naught alpha naught delta T. This L naught is basically made of alloy, right? So here you will be writing L naught alpha delta T plus lambda naught. It is also made of iron, so this is lambda naught alpha naught delta T. And this is equal to 0 because length doesn't have to change in order for time period to stay fixed. ठीक है. So यहाँ से देख लो आप L naught alpha delta T will be equal to how much? So L naught alpha naught plus lambda naught alpha naught. ठीक है. So this delta T. So delta T आप कट कर लो. Alpha will be equal to how much? So L naught plus lambda naught into alpha naught divided by L naught, right? So this is going to be our answer. So I hope you have understood this concept, and I hope later on if you encounter such sort of situation, compensated pendulum, you won't hesitate in moving forward with the question. So I hope it is clear, but if you have any doubt anywhere, you can always let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.